Hi everyone, welcome back to another interesting video, and today we are going to see a healthy yet delicious salad recipe, and it's grilled paneer salad, which is high in protein, low carb and keto friendly, and is therefore an ideal salad recipe for weight loss. So friends, let's get started with this quick, healthy and amazing salad recipe. And now we'll prepare our marination sauce to coat the paneer cubes. For that we'll take a plate and into it we'll add half a teaspoon of salt or as per taste. Then goes 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a teaspoon of piri masala which has got all the required flavors, a tablespoon of olive oil and few drops of lime juice. We'll now mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. Alright, and here goes our paneer cubes or cottage cheese in the marination sauce. I've kept the paneer cubes slightly bigger so that they get those beautiful grill marks on them. And now we will coat the paneer cubes well with the marination sauce from both the sides. And we will let the paneer cubes rest in the marination sauce for about 10 to 15 minutes. And in the meantime, we'll chop some crunchy, colorful veggies. Here goes some green lettuce, which I will roughly chop them. Also, I'm going to include some iceberg lettuce, which I will chop lengthwise in this way. You can include any other lettuce also, like coral and romaine lettuce, as adding lettuce in any salad adds a crunch and makes the salad more filling. We'll now transfer them into a bowl. Next, I'm going to slice one English cucumber. First, we will slice the cucumber into half and then slice them into semicircle shape in this way. Then I will include half of an onion which I will slice lengthwise in this way. We'll separate the layers and we'll keep them aside. And my salad will be incomplete without tomatoes, so I will include a medium tomato. First, we will de-seed the tomato and then cut into medium portions like this. And to impart a fresh flavor to our salad, I will finally chop some coriander or cilantro leaves. We shall keep the chopped veggies aside for a moment, and now we will grill the paneer cubes. For that, I will lightly grease my grill pan. And when the pan is hot enough, I will place the marinated paneer cubes in the grill pan, and on low to medium flame we will grill them until they get those beautiful grill marks on both the sides. After a few seconds, I'll flip the paneer cubes one by one and grill the other side for another few seconds. I'll brush some of the leftover marination sauce so that the paneer cubes doesn't dries out in the grilling process. And as you can see, our paneer cubes are grilled well from both the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now we shall prepare a flavorful salad dressing. For that, we'll take a bowl and into it goes 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Next, we'll extract the juice of half a lime. For seasoning, we'll add some salt and black pepper as per taste. Then goes a teaspoon of piri masala, which will greatly enhance the flavor of our salad dressing. And now we need to mix all the ingredients well until they are well combined. And our flavorful salad dressing is also ready. Next, in the mixing bowl, we'll assemble all the chopped veggies. Here goes the lettuce, chopped English cucumber, tomatoes, onions. Then here are some peeled black olives and sliced jalapeños. Finally goes the chopped cilantro. And now we will pour the prepared salad dressing over the veggies. And now we need to toss and mix the salad dressing well with the veggies. And friends, if you consume meat, then you can add grilled chicken breast instead of paneer or even boiled eggs. And I have made many such healthy and interesting salad recipes in my channel. You can try those also and include in your healthy diet plan. So mixing is done, and now let's serve our salad. And here goes our high protein, low carb, keto friendly grilled paneer salad, which you can enjoy as a complete meal and include in your weight loss healthy diet plan. Also, I'd love to hear your feedbacks, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy cooking everyone.